Well, my friend who has this Duramax here, he's been watching me working on the switchable tunes for my Cummins for the last few months, and he asked me to give it a go on his Duramax, and so I spent a little bit of time, sat down, got it all figured out, and now I got 4 and 6 level switches for the Lb7 Duramax. It's pretty sweet. I think it's 2001 to 2004 it works on. See, I got the switch here. So I got like valet mode, stock, tow, street, race, and then off-road mode only. So I'll just go for a little cruise here. Oh, I got some of the switches. So that's what they look like. They're super simple. You got gold dial, silver, black, whatever you want. That's all it is. You plug that in and you load my tune into the ECU and you're good to go. So we'll go for a quick little drive here just to show you that it's all working. I mean, I've been working on it for, I think, maybe a month now, just on and off here and there. And yeah, I feel like it's finally to the point where it's working good enough to release it to everybody. And by the time you watch this video, it'll be up on my website, ready to go, optimalwelding.com. And yeah, my friend driving this truck, he's been all over, like thousands of kilometers with the switch in, and he hasn't noticed one issue at all. So it's really awesome. It's just, yeah, it was a lot easier to get it to work on the Duramaxes than the Dodges, but yeah. So here, I'll go all the way down to bottom, and then I'll foot to the floor, and you see we're just really not going anywhere. Like that's all it's gonna give us, because that's the valet mode. So we'll come up, just one click there, and I'll just complete it again. So you see we got a little more power there, a little more power, a little better. But that's pretty much exactly, I based that one off what the stock tune was. And then we'll turn it up one more. And this would be like a good tow tune. It'd be really safe, but you could just tow whatever you want, as heavy trailers as you want, no issues. So it's nothing crazy, but it's got some power. So we'll go up again. So this would be like a good street tune to play around on. And then I'm not really showing the exhaust, but as I turn it up, it smokes more and more. So yeah, I don't want to drive it too hard here in this neighborhood. I don't like making people angry at me for no reason. So I'll go back up to this race tune here. Just get around this corner, and then I'll open it up, and it's pretty quick. And this thing doesn't have head studs or anything like that. So I've tuned it really conservatively so we don't have any issues. And I know this guy beats on his truck hard all the time, so if he can't break it, I don't think anybody else can. We're going up a hill too, so it's pretty quick. It goes pretty good. And then yeah, of course, everybody always asks me for the off-road only tune. I don't know why, but they do. That's basically the off-road tune. I'm not a fan of it, but everybody always wants it, so there it is. So yeah, 6 level and 4 level. The 4 level tunes will just be stock, tow, street, race, and that's it. And then the 6 level, you just get the valet at the bottom, and then you get the off-road tune at the top. So yeah, check them out, optimalwelding.com. I got my Duramax switches up there now, and all my Cummins switches. Got a bunch of guys running those now and haven't had any issues at all. So those are good to go. I don't have to worry about those anymore. And everybody just keeps coming by and getting them in their trucks and just loving them. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep messing around with these switches because everybody's loving them, and this is basically the only way to get switchable tunes on an HB Tuner's tuned truck. I think they do have the switch for EFI Live for these trucks, but mine will definitely be much more affordable than the EFI Live switch. So yeah, check them out, optimalwelding.com.